Hey guys, today I'm gonna give you my Boxycharm unboxing. I've already opened this and I've played with some of the products a little bit, so yeah, let's just get right into it, guys. So the first thing is this Farmacy Green Clean Makeup Meltaway Cleansing Balm. I did play with this a little bit and I did like it. Makeup Meltaway Cleansing Balm, and I did use it just a little bit. Oh, it's got this thing on it still. You can't even really tell that I used it. I liked it. It got rid of my makeup really well. I just had some leftover makeup on my eyes from my shower. So I just kind of applied it to my eye area, and then yeah, it came right off, and that retails for $22, so not bad. The next thing is this Pure Midnight Masquerade palette, and so sorry, I'm not trying to blind you guys, but it's got these 6 shadows, and the only matte one is this brown color, and I swatched them. I have not used it on my eyes yet, but I have swatched it. Hi, you can see me, guys. And the colors did look really pretty. And then you have, I want to say these are supposed to be 2 highlighters and 2 blushes. This blush is too dark, so I'd probably use it as an eyeshadow, and then this highlighter is way too dark for me as well, so I'll probably use it as an eyeshadow as well. And that palette retails for $38. Okay, couple more products. This is the Dermovia Lace Peel. It's a black bamboo charcoal face mask. I haven't used any of these yet. There is 2 masks, but I've heard really great things about this mask, so I'm hoping that it's good. I probably won't get to it for a while, so it'll be in an empties eventually, and I'll let you know my thoughts on it then. But this does retail for $30, so it's a bit pricey, so hopefully it's good. Alright, so then we have the It Cosmetics Superhero Mascara. I do have a sample size of this that I am using, and I have been liking it. I've only used it a couple times, so I can't really form a definite opinion on it, but it seems like a fairly nice mascara, and this mascara retails for $24. Alright, and last but not least, we have the Kat Von D Everlasting liquid lipstick, and this one is in Lolita. It's what I'm wearing on my lips today. These retail for $20, and I would not honestly pay that. One, I don't really support Kat Von D. I don't agree with a lot of the things she does and stands for. As a parent, I can't support it. And then again, I don't really like her products. I've tried her foundation. I have a couple of these, and these do not last. A couple hours maybe. As soon as I eat or drink anything, it's coming off. And I have, Maybelline lipsticks that will last me the whole damn day through 4 meals and as much drinks as I want, and it's still on my lips at the end of the day. It's not sliding anywhere, and this one does, and to me it's just not worth paying the $20 for it, to be honest. So anyways, little mini rant over. I will use it. I will get, I guess, kind of like my money's worth out of it. I basically got it for free with this box. It's the only thing in the box that I'm like not excited for. The only thing in this box that I wasn't like thrilled about getting. The color is gorgeous, I will say that, but they just don't last, and I'm just not a fan of Kat Von D. So that's really all I have to say about it. That was my Boxycharm unboxing. I'm pretty sure I said that retailed for $20, the Kat Von D liquid lipstick. Overall, I really liked this box. I like the products that we got. I like that we got some like different things this month, like the cleansing balm and then that charcoal mask. I don't think we've ever gotten like a lace mask and Boxycharm, and I've been subscribed for like 2 years now. So I'm excited for it. I'm hoping that I really like all of these products, except obviously the liquid lip. I'd like it if it lasted, but it doesn't. Anyways, let me know if you guys got Boxycharm this month, and I know they sent out different variations for the lip product, and I think there was you either got the cleansing balm or like a hair mask or something. So let me know if you got the same box or if you got a different box. Let me know what you guys' thoughts are, and I will see you in my next video. Bye guys.